Innovation Instalight battery pack is a really cool tool for you guys to go and demo lights around your property and see what's going to look good. So this is something we've added to all our kits. We always send one of these with any of our Try It Before You Buy It offers. You're also going to get one of these King Innovation Instalights. And why we like them is because now if you haven't been installing landscape lights your whole life, or it's not your job, sometimes you don't know where to go and properly place those lights. This is a great way to be able to go test it before you bury anything or make anything finalized. And all it is a simple battery pack that runs off 8 AA batteries, and you can just plug it in, and you don't need any other wires, and then you can go place this around your property wherever you need to, so that you can see how it's going to look at night. So I mean, if you're doing a big project with 20, 30 lights or more, I would suggest going and just buying maybe a half dozen of these, so that you can go place different lights around your yard and see what effects you guys are gonna like best. Now, obviously, we're gonna help you with free consultations and all that kind of stuff, but if you wanna go and see it for yourself, you can find these in any one of our kits. You can go buy them on our website, or get any of our Try It Before You Buy It lights also come with this, so that you can go and check things out and really see how it's gonna look before you make any big purchases. I think this is probably one of the coolest tools that we've added, and one of the things I'm most excited about, because now you can really make sure things are going to look good.